Okay, welcome to this presentation of how to install a link on a photo. So what we're going to do here today is I'm going to show you what I use to install links in photos, which cuts back on spam, which you don't want to be doing in the groups anyway. So what you can do is you can go to canva.com or you can use Stencil. Those are the two major ones that I am aware of. I know there are a lot more out there, but these are the two best ones that I know of. So we're going to go over here to Canva, and let's just walk you through this really quickly so you're not wasting your time. So over here on the left, you'll see I've logged in already and we're ready to go. And here we have the toolbars. You can create your own design. You can explore Canva. You can just click on that and you go through some tutorials. You go shared with you, and there's different options in there. You can create a team. You can create your brand, which is your colors. You can see my color here is red. Find templates. You can find only any template that you want and create new folders. And of course, if you don't like something, you can trash it. Okay? So over here is create a design. You can make your own dimensions. So whatever size you want it to be, you have an option to do that. Here is some options here that are recommended that I use often. Okay, you can do Facebook, you can do logo, events, presentations, photo collages, Twitter, all of the above. Okay, so what you can do here also, just go down, and these will give you so many options on what you can do. My computer's being a stink. So even if you want to do an ebook, you can have an ebook cover, you can desktop wallpaper, you can do different book covers, you can do photo collages, you can do that cover, you can do a blog banner. So if you on your blog, you can make a nice banner, a nice header. Okay, infographics, you have whatever your imagination can create, you can create it here. There's other marketing materials, logos, brochures, certificates, business cards. Create the super awesome business card. Either print them all out here on your system, or you could take a demo into like Staples or Office Depot or someplace like that, and you can definitely create what you're looking for. Okay, and this goes on, and there's so much more in here that you can use. It's just, and different ads, there's so much. Whatever your imagination can invent, you can create. Okay? What I like to do is, and I'm going to show you what I do, and you can pick it up or do whatever you want from there. And my favorite one that I use is, whoops, you have to excuse my bar here. It's going cuckoo on me. Okay, what I use is, I use the social media one. Okay, and I've got one started over here that we started just a few minutes ago. And I went ahead and picked this out because there's so many options. You can pick whatever you want in here, and it's right there. And you can pick different layouts, different elements, and you have all these different designs. Like in here, and see, these are free. And there's so much you can do. You can pick, there's most of them, the highest price I've ever found is $1. So if you choose to use one, you could just have your card installed into Canva, and you can definitely go forward and just pick what you want and just pay $1, and it'll just be charged to you. So simple, but you can use any of these. And up here in the header, just put what you want. Like if you want cars, let's take that off first. There you go. There's just different options. So you have so many options here that you can choose from, and just scroll up and down and you'll find what you're looking for, okay? And up here at the top, there's a file. Of course, you know what that is. Go in, save it, add dimensions, or whatever you want to do. Resize, undo, help, whatever you want to do. And this one is, I use the social media form. That's the layout. And my document is untitled because I have not named it at this point. Okay, and you can share it. You can share it on Twitter. You can share it on Instagram. You can share it on Facebook. You can share it almost anywhere that you have a link to. Okay, and download, which is what we're going to end up doing, or you can order prints where they'll send you a beautiful print. So what we're going to do with this beautiful baby here is we are going to add text. And I'm gonna use this size because I like it. And we're just gonna spread this out. I like to make it big enough where people can see what they're reading. And I think about right there. And up here, this is the format for your font. So over here is the font size, and I want to make it big, so I want people to be able to read it. And here is the color for your text. So just click on this little button, and FFF is the color code for white. So we want to use white. We want it to be back more white. There we go. Stay there. And let's see, now it's white. And you could do bold. You could do italic. This is centered. And this is all caps, uppercase. You can do bullet points, spacing. You can copy, you can arrange, you can do all these different things. So, and you can do a transparency if you choose to. So we're going to keep this simple, and we're going to put and sometimes you make a boo-boo. And you got to go back. And doesn't matter how experienced you are, you will hit something wrong and you will make a boo-boo. And that's okay, because that's just the way it goes. We're going to take it there. We want to make this white again. Okay, there's white. Okay. And you can go, like I said, bold, italic. You can go all through all that. So we just want to put freedom. Freedom. And that's what this is, running free. So we're going to make it plain and simple. Isn't that beautiful? So you can do it simple. You can do it any way you want it. Okay. So we like that. We're going to leave it there. We're going to, we should make that a little bigger, don't you think? I think we should make it bigger. Let's try it and see what it looks like. Let's go 64. Oh yeah, maybe a little bit bigger. 72. Oh yeah. What do you think? I think that looks beautiful. Okay, now we've got that. It's all done. Let's click that off. And we're going to download it. And this is going to download right to our computer. And here it has PNG recommended. That is the perfect file for transferring and sharing on social media. And you can also do it in a JPEG. You could do a PDF standard. So if you're writing a PDF, you want to cover, you want the PDF actual file, you can do that too. You can create everything you want. Your PDF here and your header and your folder, everything can be created here on Canva. And the PDF print, whatever you want to do. That's your option. So oops, clicked too far. I clicked to use PNG, recommended. I find that it comes out the best for me. So getting ready. And I have a folder set up here for just my Canva prints. And again, this is just some I've made. And I'm going to save it to my computer. And here again, you can automatically load it to Facebook or to Twitter immediately, or to an email. If you have an email, you want to email it to somebody, you want to email it to yourself, whatever you want to do, you have that option. Okay. And if it doesn't automatically, you can just hit here. And it also gives you a little inspirational right here. They give you one every day, or every time you do one, they give you a different one. Okay, so that's done. We're ready to go. Now we're going to go over here to Anytime or Anyimage.io. This is the format I use to put a link attached to my photo. So up here you can upgrade. There's a free and a paid version. The free version doesn't give you very much. The paid version is inexpensive. It's on like $10 a month. And then frequently asked questions, and you can log out or whatever you choose to do. So we want to go back to any image. Hold on. Go back to home page. Just hit any image. And again, you can load it to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Google+. It's your choice, whatever you want to do. So here we're going to click on that. And we're going to look for our picture, Freedom. Right there it is. Tap on that, open, and it's loading into our dashboard. So into our format here, we are going to put what we are promoting, what our link. This is all about what our link is saying. So we're going to do attraction marketing. Okay. Okay, and the description, this is going to tell what our link is about, what we're going to be promoting, what we're going to be talking about. Attract, targeted. Oops, let's make that a capital. You're going to see why we want to make this capital, because it's going to be in the header, and you're going to see what this looks like in just a second. Attract targeted leads to you. Whoops, let's not do that. You daily. Okay, let's see. Learn how to make it all possible. Okay, now here we're going to put our URL. So this, and I already have it in my system here. Let's make sure we got it right there. There we go. So this is going to be the best way and easiest way to do it. Okay, so let's go over here and let's just scroll down. And we're going to see our picture. What do you think of that? Now this, you can move it around anywhere you want it to go. I want to be able to see freedom. I want to be able to see the horse's hooves. And here, see where it says attraction marketing. And it's got saying that it is a shared card info. Awesome. Okay, down here is the toolbar, and you can bring this in or out. Being that we have our text right there in the middle, we want to go ahead and leave it pushed back, because that's going to make it more visible for everybody. Okay, so that's the simple part. Now, oh my gosh, guys, this is so easy. You can have the format for Facebook, for Twitter, for LinkedIn, or for Google+. So right now we're going to do it for Facebook, and we are going to finish. Ta-da! It's computing. Okay, now we have it here. This is our link that it has our picture included. So we're just going to copy that, and it's going to copy it right to our format. And I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. So let's just go over here. We're going to go into another link of Facebook here, so we can just place it here. And okay, let's go onto my page. And we are going to put it here. So I'm just going to do attraction marketing.